Adi, where we at?
Fugitive beach.
Fugitive beach.
Have what?
Do I look weird with the blue?
Yeah. We're about to go cliff jumping. Look at that watercolor. Holy shit. It's like straight blue.
Where's the blue? Where's that big slide?
They took it out. It's not there anymore.
Are you dead
It was white, remember?
Are you dead ass?
Anyways,
Seriousness.
when was the last time you been cliff jumping?
Never.
Well, I don't even know how big it is. I forget.
Never. Never.
But anyways, we'll cut to that later. Guys, we made it in. We're sunbathing. Look at this glitter. Can y'all see this glitter? She's shining. Look at this water though. Blue as fuck. They took out the white slide. They changed the jumps. It's so fucking lame. The jumps used to be on that side.
We're gonna have fun though.
Either way, we're gonna have fun though.
We got music going.
Let's. What is that?
Evan, you want some of this?
It looks like it.
You run across it.
Yeah, like an obstacle.
You want some of this?
Hell no, boy.
Maybe. Actually,
Anyways. Yeah. 20 feet. Allegedly. How's your heart feel?
It's beating.
It's beating. Adi.
Girl.
I'll go first and then Evan's going next.
I'm gonna record mine.
Yeah. You gotta record me when I fall.
I will. Guys. Jumper only past gate one at a time. No flips or tricks. Don't be doing nothing crazy. How do you feel?
I can't swim.
Yes, you can. Don't say that. Don't freak him out.
Heart is pounding though.
You got a life jacket on. But you can't jump backwards. Here we go, here we go. She's a goner. She screamed. Oh. Look at her go. I'm good. How was it? Out of 10? 10, 10? Shit. Do you enjoy guarding up here? Have you ever had to jump in for somebody? I'm a lifeguard too, that's why I'm asking. I'm just curious. Okay, I just gotta go. That was so scary! I loved it though. We gotta record. Huh? I know I will. Look at him. How was it? How do you feel? The water is so cold. It feels good though. Alright, y'all.
God, I can show you green glistening eyes. You guys see what I see? Did you guys see that? See that up?
Yeah, bye.
Look at Snoopy.
Put that fan thing up.
How do you feel after this?
I'm out of it.
Not this one.
What? Oh yeah.
What about you?
I love the tan, I love the burn. So
It was fun though. It was so much fun. I'm just tired.
I'm dark as shit.
Tired from the sun.
Yeah. Cliff jumping was fun.
Hella fun.
Adrenaline rush. I miss it. It looked small, but it felt high.
It felt higher when you were on the platform.
Yeah, because you're looking down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just tired. Now we're gonna go be fat and
This
eat at Chuck's.
Car ride back's gonna be silent.
Yeah.
Oh God.
They're gonna be gone.